Hi, in this video, I will show you how to get Google Cloud Vision API key. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser, go to the search bar and type in console.cloud.google.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken to this page. So sign in with your Google account. If this is your first time, Google will ask you to agree to the terms. Just continue with it, sign in and you'll be on this page. Here on the top left, click the project dropdown. In my case, it says my first project. Click this and you will see this page. Here, click on new project button at the top right and you will see this page. Now here, search for Vision API. Now click on the one that says Cloud Vision API. Now you will see this page where you'll have to click on enable button. Now, after you do this, your project will be ready to generate API keys. You can choose any project where you want to enable it. After you do this, it's still in the left menu. Click on this three-line icon at the top left, click API and services and here choose credentials. After you click on credentials, you'll be on this page. Here, select API key. So I have this option that says API key just right here. Now, on this page, click on Create Credential and choose API Key. Now, Google will generate your Vision API key instantly, or you can name your API key anything you want. Then, choose to restrict your key to reduce security risks and click on Create. After you do this, you will instantly get your Google Vision API key on your screen. After you do this, you'll have to just click on the copy button and your API key will be copied to your clipboard. So that is the simple way through which you can get your Google Cloud Vision API key in just few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.